I wanted to share this left-handed golf set by AGX Golf that I got for my kid. This is the cadet size I got. It's just perfect length for a beginner as well. And it was the best choice I made for my left-handed golf player. It doesn't come with a bag, so I went and I got a smaller golf bag. Which still gets all the golf clubs inside, and it has a little pocket here so they can keep their glove, a couple of balls, and some keys. It's a very lightweight and it goes into a smaller car with no problems. It fits 11 golf clubs